In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use vidIQ to get more views on your YouTube videos. If you're looking to enhance your channel's performance, understanding how to leverage tools like vidIQ is crucial. So let's dive right into it and see how you can make the most of this tool to boost your video views. First things first, ensure you have vidIQ installed on your browser. Once that's set up, open YouTube with vidIQ integrated. vidIQ is a powerful tool that enhances your YouTube experience by providing in-depth insights and analytics right at your fingertips. Now, navigate to your video or channel. This might be one you're planning to upload, or it could be an existing video that you feel could perform better. On the right side of your video interface, you'll notice the vidIQ overview option. Click on it. This overview will offer you a wealth of information about your video's current status and potential areas for improvement. It's like having a comprehensive report card for your video content. An important first area to check is your video tags. These are crucial for helping YouTube's algorithm understand what your video is about. vidIQ will suggest relevant tags that can assist in categorizing your video properly, increasing the chance of it appearing in search results and suggested videos for users interested in similar content. Next, focus on your video's SEO score. This score assesses how well your video is optimized in terms of its title, description, and tags. Effective optimization here is key because it makes your video more discoverable on YouTube. Spend some time refining each of these elements. Your title should be clear and descriptive, your description comprehensive, and your tags relevant. Now, take a look at the engagement levels. vidIQ provides insights into engagement metrics, which include likes, comments, and shares. Identifying content that generates high engagement is valuable since these interactions indicate how well your video resonates with viewers. The tool also highlights outliers, or instances where your video performs unusually well or poorly in comparison to others, helping you learn from these anomalies. Finally, use vidIQ's recommendations to update your thumbnail, title, and description. These elements act as the first impression of your video and are crucial in attracting viewers. vidIQ provides tailored suggestions to enhance these aspects based on data insights, which can lead to improving the click-through rate and subsequently increasing views. And there you have it. By utilizing vidIQ's features to optimize your video's tags, SEO, and engagement strategies, you empower yourself with a greater chance to elevate your content's visibility on YouTube. Remember, the key to growth on the platform is a continual process of refining and adapting. With these steps, you're well on your way to getting more views and growing your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.